Can your web browser create a meeting appointment on its own like this? If not, let me show you how you can have an AI personal assistant of yours. Go to perplexity.ai/Comet and click on the download Comet button, and it will start the downloading of the file. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and click on the start install button, and it will again download resources. Once the installation is completed, you can click on the launch Comet button to open the Comet browser for you, and it will open the browser where you can sign into your account, and now you can use your Perplexity AI as usual to ask any question. Like, I'm asking it to research 5 laptops and give me a summary. Here it has asked me to connect my email, so I'll simply click on the connect button to help it research, and it has given me a summary. Now let's use the assistant feature and ask it to draft a mail using this email ready summary, and I'll hit enter and wait for it to work on it. It has generated the draft for me, and after that I've asked it to send this mail to this specified email address, and now all I have to do is click on the send button and my email is sent. I'll open my Gmail to check whether my email was really sent or not. Well, you can see the email was indeed sent, but the email address was not found because I used some random email address. Another feature of Comet web browser is that it has summarization ability, which you can access with just single click. Like, I've added this PDF here and simply click on this summarize current web page button. So it works with everything like PDF, even a web page that is opened. So if you click this button, it will quickly summarize the current web page. And here you can see it has given me all the key applications and all the details about the PDF. Now, next feature that I want to talk about is the voice control mode that is available in Comet browser, which you can access by clicking on this button here. And now you can give instruction and Comet AI will follow. So let's see. Open Google Calendar for me and create a new task called Meeting with Sam on Tuesday at 3 p.m. And it has started doing tasks for me, and it has started the event creation. It has now selected the date and now selecting the time, and it has successfully finished its task. So those were a few features of Comet web browser using which you can save a lot of time and use Comet browser as your personal AI assistant.